Hello neighbors, Bill here with Addicted to Tone Incorporated, also known as Mr. Takamine USA. Today I want to speak a little bit about the removal of a Takamine Output Jack Assembly. It's pretty easy. You'll notice that there's 3 screws holding the output jack in place. Now I've already removed the screws from the flange. You'll need a small Phillips head screwdriver to do that. Now once the screws are removed, you'll be able to pull the output jack assembly out to about there. And then it'll get stuck. The reason it's getting stuck is there's some cable harness attachments inside the guitar. Now an easy way to view those cable harness attachments is to remove the neck from your guitar and cut the body in half. Okay, I'm joking, of course. Most people don't want to do it that way. Another way to look around inside of the guitar is just take your cell phone. Everybody's got one now. Stick it through the sound hole. Kind of look around in there. Okay, it's really easy. Here's why the cable is getting stuck. The output jack assembly is getting stuck. The cable is attached to the side of the guitar. Now this is a Pro Series instrument, by the way. On a Pro Series, the cable harness is 2 pieces of metal. There's one there on the side. It'll be on the upper side of the guitar where the preamp is. Now, if you want to, depending on what you're doing, you can remove the pickup. On a Pro Series instrument, the pickup is an RCA jack. On a G Series, it's a 2.5mm male plug. And then you can undo the 3.5mm TRS male plug that belongs to the output jack assembly. To release the cable harness on a Pro Series, pretty easy. These metal tabs just bend up. Okay, now they have enough of a defined edge to maybe cut you if you pressed hard enough on it, but once you press those tabs up, the cable's free. Okay, and the reason those harnesses are there is to keep the cable from slapping against the side or the top of the guitar and making noise. There's a beautiful shot of the palithetic steel string assembly, the bottom anyway. Now you're still not able to get the output jack out all the way because of these 2 zip ties. Those will have to be clipped off. Now you can use a pair of stout nail clippers or some wire cutters. Now obviously you're going to want to be careful when you remove these because you don't want to nick the pickup wire or the output jack assembly. And once those are removed, the output jack assembly would, of course, be free to remove completely, come right out. Now that's a Pro Series. On a G Series instrument, the cable harness is a little different. Currently, and as far as I know, they're still doing this. I love this. This is just Takamine efficiency at work. They're using a piece of kerfing, just a piece of scrap kerfing, and gluing it to the side of the guitar with a piece of wire. Right there. Okay? Real easy. Just brilliant. And then they can give it a couple twists. Easy peasy. Very efficient. Very cost effective. Trying to keep the price of those guitars down. We're thankful for that. That's what they're doing right now. Now in the older G Series, they had this plastic clip. This plastic clip was held onto the side of the guitar, right about there, and it was held on with 2-way tape. And that tape would always dry out and fall off. Happened every time. And there was no way you could get the output jack loose, because they would always put a loop in the wire. I mean, you just could not do it, could not remove it unless you undid the clip. And this clip's real easy to do if you know the trick. You just press it and it folds right open. Easy peasy. And then you can take out the pickup and the output jack if you want. Like I say, that's on the older G-series instruments. That's why, like I say, it would be a good idea to take your camera and look around, stick it through the sound hole and just look around the guitar. It's kind of cool to look around anyway inside your guitar and see what kind of cable harness attachments are going on. There's 3 that I know of. There's 2 G-series. There's the older style plastic clip, the newer style kerfing piece that's glued on with the wire. And then on a Pro Series, there's the 2 wire tabs that simply fold up. Pretty easy. All right, keep playing the guitar. Keep making the world a better place for us all to live in. And be blessed. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.